Good morning, everyone. My name is Apurva, and I welcome you all today for the our overview session of DevOps training. We have two trainers with us, that is Mustafa and Tawfiq. Both of them are having 10 plus years of experience in the DevOps. So, on behalf of Guru Schools, I would like to congratulate all of you for enrolling for the DevOps training. So, and I would like to also congratulate you for thinking and planning and opting an IT training which leads to the finish line, that is the placement. So the key thing here is to keep the enthusiasm, to keep the spirit alive, and make sure you attend as many as sessions as you can. So there are 7 sessions a week in which there will be 3 technical sessions, 4 job placement sessions. So basically, 7 times in a week, you will get an opportunity to talk to the subject matter experts at Guru Schools. So Guru Schools is not just a mere training company that will throw some videos on you and will make the hard-earned money and we are gone. So for some of you, I would like to again repeat the 6 pillars, the 6 unique pillars of Guru Schools. So our first pillar is instructor-led interactive live training, which is today's training. And like this, for the next 2 months, all the sessions will be instructor-led with our rockstar trainer, Mr. Tawfiq and Mr. Mustafa. And all the sessions will be recorded. The second pillar is the course completion diploma certificate. If you attend our 75% of technical session and RRP session, each one of you will be awarded with a course completion diploma certificate. The third pillar is the reference ready resume preparation, which is the most important pillar. Here, there is a biggest makeover is done in your resume and your LinkedIn profile so that you regenerate your career. The fourth pillar is the vendor interview preparation, where with the help of the trainer, you will come to know they will be guiding you what kind of questions can be asked by the vendors. Our fifth pillar is the end client interview preparation. So many of the candidates, those who are already working on our client project, the trainers, they will guide you that what kind of questions can be asked by the client and how to answer it. And our last and the most important pillar is the sixth pillar, that is the on-job support. So once you get placed through Guru Schools, you will be getting 6 months of project supports by the trainer, and the trainer will come into the role with you and he will be guiding you. So for some of you, I would again like to repeat our 6 pillars. Our first pillar is the instructor-led interactive training. Our second pillar is the course completion diploma certificate. Third pillar is the reference-ready resume preparation. Fourth pillar is a vendor interview preparation. Sixth pillar is a client interview preparation. And sixth pillar is on-job support for the 6 months. So now I would like to hand over to Chaitanya. So Chaitanya, please go ahead.
Thank you, Apurva. Yes, good morning, all of you. Welcome to Guru Schools. Now, today I'm going to take a roll call from one-on-one. Please explain me about your previous experience, location, and the things. Okay. Let me go with Damodar. Damodar.
Yeah, hi. Good morning. I'm Damodar. I'm right now in New York. I'm actually from India. I used to work with Wipro there. And after coming to US, I did not work. I was into business. But now I closed down my business and trying to get back into IT. And so I joined DevOps Guru Schools.
Okay, thank you.
That
Thank
is it.
you. Yes, Damodar.
Yeah,
Thank
that
you,
was it.
Damodar. Yeah, thank you, Damodar. Next, Jay Keshav.
Hi there, this is Jay here. So I'm a Canadian. I live in Canada, Ontario province. I work as an Oracle database administrator. So after listening to this session, and I really wanted to get into DevOps. So these are the two reasons I'm enrolling for a cloud DevOps course. Plus, I wish to work in US as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay Keshav. And Khalid Sayed.
Hi, my name is Khalid Rahman Sayed. I'm a Canadian citizen, and I'm here in service desk analyst job. And currently, I'm not in job. I'm looking for a job, and for this reason only, I just joined this DevOps course.
Thank you, Khalid Sayed. And next, Mohammad Afrin.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Muhammad Afan and I've graduated in 2021 in IT, information technology from India. And from then I'm looking for a job. I've done few online trainings in database and RPA. Until now, I've joined the training at Guru School. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Mohammad Afan. Thank you. And Sri.
Hi everyone, I'm Shri and currently I'm staying in Texas. I have done masters in computer information systems and also I have done Amazon certification. So I have little previous experience as a Linux administrator from India. After coming to the USA, I don't have any experience. So after doing the certification, I wanted to go for DevOps professional certification. So that's why I have joined in this course.
Thank you, Sri. Thank you, all of you. Again, welcome you guys to Guru Schools. And now from here, I'm going to hand over to our trainer, Tofik. Tofik will explain you all the things. Tofik.
Yeah, Chaitanya.
Yeah, go ahead, Tofik. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you, Chaitanya. Yeah. Hi, good afternoon all. Okay. So I am your trainer and I have around 9+ years of experience in IT. So, and I have relevant DevOps experience around 6+ years in the core DevOps. So currently I'm working in an MNC as a senior DevOps lead. So I know how the DevOps life cycle works, how the development part, dev part and the operation part interact, and how we integrate each tools for creating a better workflow. That means the pipeline CI/CD. And after all things, we need to observe these things. I mean our resources. So we need to ensure the mountain part also. So we are the DevOps team are engaged that part also. So we set up the mountain part as well for our infrastructure. So yeah, then coming to Guru School, we offer, I will share. Yeah, my screen is visible, right? Hi.
Yes, it is.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So this is the the step by step or our weekly content that we are going to dig. Okay, so we planned around a 12-week course for guys. So starting we separate these under 3 months. Okay, there is first month, there is 4 week. Then that's called foundation of DevOps. Then we jump into next month and we dig more into advanced DevOps. Then the last month we go into learn the real world DevOps project. So actually, I don't know how many of you are familiar with the cloud technology, the services, and the DevOps. So we need to cover the things from the scratch. That's the way I am following. So you will get more idea how we start. Anyone know how the software development is running before the DevOps? I mean the DevOps lifecycle. Anyone know?
So basically, the development team, they develop the code and they do the testing in the non-pod environment. And once they have done the testing thoroughly, once they are satisfied, then they will move the code into the production environment.
Yes, that is called agile mode, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean the culture before DevOps. There is so many software development model, that I know you the guys are learn that things like waterfall model, agile model. So first we need to learn what are things the corporate or the software development team worked before. Then we will get more idea that are the things we are done before and why we switch into DevOps, what are the benefit features. So many things we will getting at when we use DevOps tools and integration, all things. So we will cover all things. Okay, starting from you guys see the week 1 is introduction of DevOps. We will cover the core principle of DevOps, the benefit, challenges of implementation, and the culture, organization aspects. All team cover the first week. Then we are jumping to the next week and we learn setting up CI/CD, automating, building, and deploying process. Then the version control system, implementing the VCS, I mean the Git, and dig more into Git. So many techniques in Git like Git pull, Git fudge. So learning that part in week 2. Then coming to week 3, we are going to learn infrastructure as a code. So as a DevOps engineer, guys, that we work in terminal actually, like any Visual Studio Code or any code editor. We use code editor and we write things in our code editor. We didn't go to log in any cloud provider or anything. All things we done via automation. So we need to learn any automation tool. I am here introducing and learning the Terraform with Ansible, and that thing we cover in week 3. Provisioning and managing infrastructure using the automation tool, enabling infrastructure scalability, versioning, and repeatability. So many things we can done with the automation tool. Then again go to week 4. We cover the configuration management principles and practices. Then implementing configuration management, automating server provisioning, configuration, and maintenance. So many things we can using with the configuration management. Configuration management means the tool name is Ansible. Okay, so we learn Ansible for the week 4, and for the week 3 the tool is Terraform. Then these are the the high level hierarchy. Then after the first month, then we jump into the dig more into DevOps. Okay, so we are going to learn containerization, orchestration, and week 6 monitoring and logging, and cloud native architecture. And after, obviously, we need to set up the security and compliance. So we must engage that part also. So as a DevOps engineer, we need to set up all these things. For example, we set up all resources, like we set up a Kubernetes cluster and we deploy our application into the cluster. After that, we need to monitor that thing. Okay, so any issues there, any vulnerabilities there, so many things happening in our live environment. So we need to observe that thing. Then going to month 3, scalable web application. I mean, real world DAO project. So we engage with some real world projects. Okay, so you guys know how the real world infra, I mean the DevOps infra looks like. So for example, after this course, you guys are applying jobs. Okay, so you will hire. Okay, I mean someone will hire you. So at that time, you will realize the entire learning things will change. Okay, so I mean, for example, there is a 10 DevOps engineer. Okay, the 10 DevOps engineer learned some tools and practice and project, so many things from a single institute, and they will hire in different organization. After that, the 10 DevOps guys work in different scenario. You got the point. Hello? Hello?
Yeah. We got that.
Yeah. Yes. So yeah, that's the thing. So that's why we are using the real world DevOps project here for the month 3. So here we set up some real world lab, scalable web application, how to scale the web application, cloud migration and infrastructure optimization. Then little bit data science and machine learning we include in this section, because in future these things are the hot job. I mean the data science and machine learning and even the AI also. Okay. So coming to the last week, we improvement and DevOps culture. Okay. That's a theoretical approach, how we how our perspective in the DevOps life cycle. Yeah, this is the thing. And anyone have any doubt or any questions you guys can ask?
Yeah, so we're gonna start from 28th, right?
Yes. That yeah, 28. I Nikhil, right? 28 is right.
Yes. The 28 is.
Yeah, go on, sorry.
So, topic, may I know what will be the timings?
We will let you know in the groups. We'll mention the timings and the dates in the groups.
So only one request, please try to have it something around 9 p.m. EST. I would appreciate that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because I was also under impression that the class will be at 9 EST time PM, but I think this time is a bit difficult for me.
Yeah, that we need to sort out. Okay.
All right, so you put your comments in the chat, in the WhatsApp chat, so we will give our input based on that. Please decide.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And you people have any doubts? Do you want to ask anything to the trainer?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
Are we going to cover any scripting language in our course?
Yes. You know, as a DevOps engineer, we need to learn at least one scripting language. So any bash scripting or Python scripting, whichever you guys learn more. I mean, we didn't, sometimes the scripting may be some complex. Okay. So how fast we can learn? So we need to choose any language. I mean, the bash or shell scripting is easy for you guys. So we'll cover that also.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
That's for some repetitive tasks in our daily routine. Okay, for example, there is machine, okay, the virtual machine, and we need to back up daily. Good.
Okay.
So for that purpose, we will write any script using any language, and we implement the script.
So is it essential that we need to learn Python language?
No prerequisite.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone have any question?
Yeah, but I have one question. Do we have a recordings of all the classes?
Recording.
Yeah, class recordings. If in case we miss one class, can we access its recording?
Yes, sir. We'll be
Nikhil?
having. Yes, sir. We'll be having the recordings.
Yeah.
After the completion of
Yeah.
class, we will post that in the group.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So the meeting link will be sent every day, or how it is going to be?
Same link, ma'am. One link. We'll be having every meeting in that link.
Okay.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
Do you people have any other questions?
You can ask, guys. This is an open forum. Any questions or?
I mean, just one more thing. Like, I mean, if I happen to miss like maybe 2 or 3 classes, because I may have for 1 week vacation next month. So those 3 classes, I can have the recordings later on access, and then I can cover up that later, right?
Yes. Yes.
Cool. Thank you.
So the course is starting on 28th of this month, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Is all your doubts cleared?
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Only
thank you.
I have. Sorry, I have a doubt. Is like, say, if we are practicing all the labs on the AWS platform, so for everything they will charge, right? For if we spin up the clusters and all, how do we manage all those on the AWS?
For AWS, you guys take a account. Okay, I think you all have the AWS account, right?
Yeah, I have account, but we can't practice much in the AWS. If you have any servers, that will be good, right?
No. We have the free tier. That's fine. After our lab, we need to terminate the thing. That's all. In my belief, there is 750 hours of free running virtual machine for our AWS account for 1 year.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Thank you.
Okay.
If all your doubts are cleared, Tawfiq, thank you very much, Tawfiq. And to hand over Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. On the behalf of our entire Guru Schools team, I just want to extend a warm thanks for all of you for attending our overview session. We hope that you found the session valuable and informative, and you people presence at our session made it all more special, and we are grateful for your support. And thank you everyone.